Okay, so you guys have heard about making money from YouTube, TikTok, and potentially if you've watched this channel, you've even heard about people making money from Snapchat. And on this channel, I've actually showed you my earnings across all of these platforms. So this is my YouTube channel right here, Fly Juggler, where I post YouTube shorts of me juggling, kind of a funny skill. But yeah, in 2025, this was able to earn me $8,000 in ad revenue. And that's just on YouTube. On TikTok, in just the past 60 days, I've made $3,000, and I think across the year, I've made around 15K from that. And on Snapchat, I have 342,000 followers, and it doesn't let me pull it up on my computer, so I had to pull up a screenshot from my phone. But in the month of December, I took this a bit ago, I was able to make $2,300 from the videos that I was posting. So that's all great, and you guys probably have already seen videos that I've made about that, but what you didn't know about is that you can also get monetized on Facebook and just get paid based on the views that you're getting on Facebook as well. It's pretty gatekept, not that many people talk about it, but in this video, I wanted to show you how you can actually get monetized on Facebook and start earning money from it. Now, the way that you actually do this is you go on Facebook and you make a Facebook page. So Facebook is notoriously, in my opinion, one of the worst social media platforms in terms of how to set things up, because it's just super confusing. But if you were logged into your normal Facebook account, which for me is this, Bennett Santora, all you would have to do is click here, click on See All Profiles, scroll down, and you could click on Create, and then you'd be allowed to create a page. And a page is basically for either a business or a content creator to actually start posting their content on Facebook. And this is exactly what I have right here with the account Fly Juggler. And the way that it got to 99,000 followers is because I actually post Reels on Facebook. So this is basically the same as the way that you can post Reels on Instagram or Shorts on YouTube Shorts or short videos on TikTok. Facebook effectively has the same exact thing, and if you post content to any of these platforms, there's really no good reason to not just post to Facebook as well. Because not only is it just extra traction for your business or whatever you do or growing your personal brand, but it also allows you to directly monetize. So the way that you would do this is you post on Facebook and you need to grow your follower count. Now, the way that I recommend doing this is obviously post Reels on every single platform and try to have videos that perform really well. And what I actually personally did was I just took the Reels that were already performing well on my TikTok. And so if we go to my TikTok account and sort my videos by popular, you can see I already have a ton of videos here that are super viral. So what you could do is either one, just manually take these videos, download them and repost them to Facebook to start growing on there and eventually start earning extra money. Or this is what I actually did. I use this software called repurpose.io, which automatically posts your stuff across all platforms. So I'll leave the link to it in the description. All you'd have to do is click log in, and you could even just sign in with Google. It's completely free. And what you could do is you could create a workflow. And since TikTok, for example, was my main platform at the time, all I'd have to do is select TikTok as the account that I want to post from, and then select Facebook as the account that I want to post to. So I would want to post to this account, I'd want to post Reels, and I want to post it on the page Fly Juggler, this one right here. And since I would want it to post my old content, all I'd have to do is click repurpose existing content on a schedule. And then if I press continue, it basically just asks me how frequently do I want to post on Facebook. So I'll be safe and say, let's post 3 times a day. And if I just enabled this automation, I'll even just enable it to show you guys real quick. It then auto schedules all the videos that I have on my TikTok to Facebook, and it'll just start posting these automatically. So that's a great way to get all your content on Facebook and grow without actually having to do any work. And if you really want, you can even go in here and change it from just repurpose existing content to repurposing all content, which would include future and existing. So not only will it auto schedule all the stuff already there, but if I click this button and click save, then if I ever posted a new video to Facebook, it would automatically post from TikTok to Facebook without me having to do anything. So I've been using Repurpose for 2.5 years, and it's done a really good job at exactly what I need. No, it can't guarantee that you're gonna get millions of views, but it definitely can get your content on every single platform and help you get millions of views. And it's actually the thing that got me monetized on YouTube and on Snapchat, and soon to be on Facebook, which is now the next step, how you actually monetize on Facebook. And by the way, I am just gonna delete this workflow since I don't use this one anymore. But yeah, then the way that you would go about doing this is you would click on Professional Dashboard right here, and then all you have to do is go under Monetization, scroll down, and then you'll see something right here called Content Monetization. Now there's a couple other ways to monetize, by the way. There's subscriptions, which I've made a little bit of money from. There's stars, there's partnership ads, and then there's content monetization right here. And you can see I'm actually on the wait list for it right now. So I'm not in, and the way that you get accepted is kind of weird. It's not like you immediately get accepted if you hit a certain threshold, which is kind of the way it is on TikTok or YouTube. But on Facebook, you only get monetized when they accept you off the waitlist. So I'm still on the waitlist waiting, but I have a bunch of friends that have gotten accepted way sooner, and they're able to make some good money from the posts that they make on Facebook. Actually, all of the information that we've been collecting on this so far is in the social media monetization cheat sheet, which I'll leave in the description. But basically, I found with my friends that are monetized on Facebook, they're able to earn 10 cents to $1 even per 1,000 views, and they end up making a lot more money when they have a video that's over 90 seconds long. So that's the information that I have so far. As I gather more information and as I get monetized, I'll be making more and more videos for you guys showing how exactly this works. But yeah, that's basically how Facebook works, and I really recommend you get on Facebook because probably the longer that you're on the waitlist, the more likelihood you actually have of getting in over time. So if you get on the waitlist early and Facebook sees that you're clearly active, you're clearly growing your follower count, they're gonna care about that and actually prioritize you to try to get you monetized. So yeah, that's my recommendation. And yeah, this channel's mission is to help you guys grow and make extra money from social media. So if we delivered on that mission today, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, and peace.